As we can see in question 13 in this figure below, what is the value of x? This shape is an isosceles trapezium. Why? Because I have two sides which are parallel but not equal, and this one we called it middle base. We called it middle base. The length of the middle base, if you have an isosceles trapezium or any trapezium, if this base is A and this base is B, so the middle base is equal to the average between the two parallel bases. So I'm supposed to add 14 and 2x minus 2 and divide the answer by 2 to give me 18. Or you can say that directly that 2x minus 2 plus 14 is equal to double this number, which is 36. Negative 2 plus 14 is positive 12. Move to the other side, negative 12. So 2x is equal 36 minus 12, which is 24, divided by 2, so x is equal to 12. So the answer is D. Question number 14. F of x is equal 4x minus 3, and I wanted to find the value of f of negative 2. So directly, I'm going to plug in the value of x with negative 2. So 4 multiplied by negative 2 is negative 8, minus 3, so the answer is negative 11. Question number 15. In the figure below, we can see a circle with center M. What is the value of x? As we know, this length is a diameter. So the angle opposite to a diameter in the circle, its measure is equal to 90 degrees. Something else, if you have an inscribed angle in the circle, its measure is half the measure of the subtended arc. And this arc is 180. So this angle is equal to 90 degrees. So the measure of x here is equal 90 degrees. So we can say that any angle drawing in semicircle is equal to 90 degrees. Question number 16. Student grades in a test 57, 61, 86, 82, 92, and 100. And I wanted to find the value of the median. Before we find the median, we should order the number first, or arrange the number first. You may ask yourself, I'm going to arrange the number ascending or descending, in ascending order or descending order. Doesn't matter. You can arrange the number in ascending order or descending order. So the smallest number is 57. Then the next one is 61, then 82, then 86, 92, and 100. By cancelling the smallest one with the greatest one, then the next smallest one with the next greatest one, I have two values in the middle. By adding these two values, divide them by 2, the answer is 84. Or you may ask yourself, what the number which is just in the mid point or the mid distance between 82 and 86, it's 84. This is f dash because the integration of the functions or derivative of the functions give me the function itself from 0 to 3. So f of 3 minus f of 0. Integration from a to b for any derivative of a function is equal to the function itself from a to b. So it's f of b minus f of a. Question number 18. For question 8, the straight line y is equal negative 3 is a straight line passing through the point negative 3 and parallel to the x-axis. And the straight line y is equal 5 is also a straight line passing through the point 5 and parallel to the x-axis. So I'm asking about the distance between them. From negative 5 to 0, distance is 3. And from 0 to 5, distance is 5. So from 5 to negative 3, the whole distance is 8. Something else, you can make 5 minus negative 3, which is equal to 8. So don't forget that y is equal to negative 3 is always a horizontal line. A horizontal line.